We're a professional container house supply chain factory. We focus on import, export trade, and undertake various container projects. Our detachable container house is unique. It can be customized according to your needs. The expandable container house is another sub-product. The roof installation is carried out with precision and care. Flat pack container house is popular in the market. We ensure quality in every step of the installation. Your ideal choice for container living. Subscribe to our channel to .Contact us for more information. DreamMaker.